Hi everybody, this is Jimmy with nCLOSE. Today I'm going to show you how to install an iDynamo6 Lightning or USB-C into an Elite Mini 6, Mini 4.5, 10.2, or 12.9 case. First thing you'll do is you'll start with your case, and notice if you don't want to have a module, you can go ahead and add a display module. That's the benefit of our Elite series. So there's two ways to open this. You can take a flat-headed screwdriver and put it in here, and then just turn it over and it'll just pop up. Or if there's nothing inside, I like to put my fingers in and kind of just pull up because the clips on the side will release. And then notice you just push down from here and it will slide down. I like to position this in front of me, but then you take your tablet, you position your top and get it into the tongue and grooves. And then you slowly just press down once you engage that top portion. I personally have it in the air. I feel it's a little better. And then you push down on the sides and it closes down. So now we're going to go ahead and install our reader. So you would remove the two screws from the back of the module. You take one of the two cables that are for the internal components and you plug this one into the reader. Once you plug that into the reader, you can go ahead and use the chip portion to slide it in and then press down so that it gets secured right there. You then get your cable management and you put your overmold right into the indicators and push down. Now you can do either the logo down or logo up. It doesn't matter because it's a USB-C port. Now you take your second cable, and depending upon your connection here, your cable is going to be very specific to the reader, C or Lightning. So then you basically take your top, you put it on top here, you flip it over, you attach your screws, and now we're getting very close to securing it to the inside of the case. Now that that's in, make sure your surface is flat and clean. Flip it over, flip this over. I like to go ahead and connect my cable. And now you kind of cable manage your cable. And then you slide it on, you attach your two screws, and now you're ready to go. If at this point you want to add hand straps, a quick release, a battery so that you can have this really going 12, 14-hour shifts, you're more than welcome to do that. We have an nCLOSE battery and a battery attachment that can go here. It'll also allow your device to be mounted, or you can do it mobile or fixed. Thank you. This is Jimmy with nCLOSE.